Wherever there's some mud, the dogs find it. You could really grit a whole backyard when you have a dog, but this is going to take all the bulk water and it's going to reduce the amount of soil saturation. Keep in mind, a French drain, you can leach water to a French drain up to 20 feet. Now, I personally, for yard drains, because people want, instant now. I know that you see us do a lot of parallel, where we have 2 French drains, and if this isn't enough, they could have us back, and we add pipe to jobs all the time. That's what's nice about this. You can go ahead, put in a drain, and see how much it improves the yard. Now, there's a large dog here, and when he runs, he just throws these divots. There's nothing you're going to do about that. There's absolutely nothing you can do about that. I get jobs, and I tell people, I'm going to improve your yard. Contractors, be careful on what you say, because they're going to hold you to every word. Here, dog was digging. So, to my point, this big guy's tearing this yard up regardless. There's just no getting around that. This is going to help. This is going to be definitely a site improvement to the homeowner. I just tell people, I guarantee that you're going to see a difference. Is it going to be enough for you? I don't know. Everybody has their own interpretation and opinion on how fast a drain works, how dry a yard is. Now, if I grid this and we run, say, a line here, run another line here, and then we connect it, just completely grid this yard. I'll tighten this whole yard up. I've done it so many times now. These guys are fantastic. Marcelo and his crew are just absolutely amazing. I got to give a shout out to this crew, because this crew's outstanding. Everybody on this crew has just stepped up in a big way. We've been working all winter, and I just can't thank them enough. We've had kind of mild weather, and we're going to jump on it. We're not going to take we don't like taking any more time off than we have to as contractors. You save so much money. You're saving money for what? Winter, when you're a contractor in the north, because there's years where we freeze up the second week of November and we can't get back on a site to the last week of March, first week of April. So, you got to prepare for that in the event that does happen. But to my point, contractors, let the homeowners know, say it right in your estimate. This is a yard improvement. It's a site improvement. Is it going to fix all the problems that yard has? No, it's not a cure-all. However, all our clients that we put these drains in for are happy customers. Every one of them. So that's saying a lot. When you got thousands and thousands of systems in for more than 3 decades, and just through word of mouth, neighbors and friends and family members telling everybody about the transformation from a swampy yard to a yard that's usable. It's more user-friendly for the children and the pets as well.